Good morning, everyone. Boker Tov. It's good morning in Hebrew. It is Tuesday, April 12th, 2022. Rabbi David and I are headed to find the next train station. We had to go to a COVID testing place. Thank you, American, for not accepting our 72-hour test, but you require a 24-hour now. So we're going to get that in the morning, and in the meantime we're going to go to Mount Scopus, take the train, see Hebrew University. Let's see what else is up there. Hadassah Hospital, National Cemetery. If I slowly turn, you'll see we are on Jaffa Street. And there's a lot of activity already. 8:30 in the morning. David's walking rather fast. He's looking for something that he desperately needs. I'll leave it at that. Okay, kids are out. Papa's walking them, that's nice. Good to see fatherhood being practiced here in the city. Typically you'll see a family with a couple carriages, babies inside, 3 or 4 kids, trying to get their quiver full. I know one family has a double quiver, good friends of ours. Some of the sights and sounds. Not too far we'll come to Ben Yehuda. We'll be on this stop. First of all is Mahani Yehuda, the Shuk, up there around that bend. I was talking about families. Dad must be working, or he is at the wall praying. A lot of them do. Scooters everywhere, mopeds, motorcycles, public transportation, a bus and train. You really don't need a car. If you'd have one, you'd pay top dollar for insurance. Plus, to find a parking spot daily is an adventure in itself. When we rent a car, it is an adventure trying to find a parking spot in Jerusalem without getting a ticket. How do I know? Because I have experience in that area. All right, I'll let you go. Stay tuned for the next Steve Martin Walk With Me. Ain't that right, David?
Yes, yes.
Shalom.